So do you drink at events? And do you not? Does it matter? You know, when I first started DJing, I didn't get into it because I wanted to be a professional. I got into it for girls and beer, okay? And one of the cool things about being a DJ is that you get to drink on the job, right? At least that's the way it was when I first started, when I didn't care what I looked like. But honestly, I think that you shouldn't, okay? And I've heard guys say to me, well, you know, a couple of drinks, I get better. Hey man, I get a couple cocktails, I get better. People want to party with me, so that's what I do. So, okay, I suppose, but if I worked with you at the insurance company you worked at, and I brought a bottle of booze and I just, between callers, I just had a little bit of something here, or if I was a waiter that came to your table with your breakfast at the cafe and I had a beer in my hand, what does that look like? How does that make you look? Even if you hide it, okay? Or you smell booze on the breath of the people that are serving you. Is that a good idea? I mean, we are told on a regular basis, and trust me, I have got my clients on a regular basis want me to come out during the party and say, let me buy you a drink, Bill, you're doing a great job. Hey man, let me get you a beer. And I say no. Do you think I've got people that are upset by that? No. I mean, I might have a father but come on, but what am I, in 10th grade? Okay? Peer pressure, really? No, it makes you look more professional that you don't drink on the job. Just don't do it, okay? That's what I think. I don't know that I even care what you think with this one. Don't drink on the job. Let me know what you think about the show if you want. Tell me I'm full of it if you want to, but you shouldn't be drinking on the job. This is Bill, this is Creative License, and I'll see you next week. But later, when I'm done, I'm probably gonna have a bump or two.